Hi guys, I want to use this model OVIS text-to-image to generate image like this from a text to image. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the ComfyUI. After that, run maybe the GPU. After that, let's go to template. Okay, let's test this model text-to-image. Okay, we have to download those files for the OVIS image. Okay, you can download it from here by clicking download, and the downloading is begin. Or you can copy the URL and go to the EDN to download those files. I already downloaded those files. Okay, let's go ahead, come to UI, search for models, refresh the page, for this fusion model of this image PF16. Open the fusion model. I download through the EDN. I can paste like this. First one. The second one, text encoder of is 2.5. Go right here, return to models, search for text encoder, and add the second one. Okay, I think it's fine. No. This model link at that side download the fusion model of it, and you can download this PID and add through this path. After that, you can use this add your prompt right here to create our image using this prompt. For example, let's go here to ChatGPT and add a prompt. I want to create fantasy character linked with, for example, using the OVIS Text-to-Image model. Okay, at this prompt, you can generate this prompt from the ChatGPT. After that, we can copy it and paste right here. And let's see the result. Okay, you can adjust the width and height right here. Okay, let's hit run. Okay, it takes around 2 minutes to generate this image using 12 gigabytes of the RAM. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.